What's going on, YouTube family? So glad you decided to stop by my channel, The Rod Elmore Show. It's always nice to have family stop by your channel and check out what's going on. So in this episode, I'm going to take you with me on location when I do a photo shoot. I'm doing a photo shoot at Walmart. That's right. As photographers, we don't have to always overthink it. You know, composition, that all matters. You know, ISO, aperture, all that great stuff. Yes, that matters. But sometimes you just want to have fun at a different place. You know, it's not in a studio. You're not shooting a wedding. It's just great to do video. So in this video, like I said, we're going to be showing you how we did our shots at Walmart. Whether you're doing it for Instagram, it's a great location. Whether you're doing it for Facebook, or whether you're doing it for whatever. You can always find awesome locations that don't cost a thing. Yeah, because I like that. It's free as long as they don't kick you out. They may say you have to buy something. I don't know. But anyway, check out these photos. Yep, check them out for me. I'm going to number them 1 through however many photos there are. And here's where you come in as my assistant. I need you to tell me which photos you liked in the comments below. Tell me what you liked about them. If they're ones you just do not like, please list those as well. I'm always looking for ways to improve my skill and my craft. I think we can help each other out. So without a further ado, here are some photos for you to check out and comment below. Oh, and if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button below. And the bell. Hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Sweet. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, YouTube family and Facebook family, Twitter family, Instagram family, wherever you are watching this from. Until next time, stay classy. Well, thank y'all for joining us while I shot some shots in Walmart. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Of course you did, because you got new phones.
Heck yeah. I haven't had a phone for like a month and a half.
Yeah. Yeah,
That's good.
It's been really difficult.
But you've been on that computer all that time, so it ain't like you done anything productive.
Now I can call you when I need you.
So that's how you shoot photos in Walmart, because it was fun. I'm going to go shoot somewhere else in another store or restaurant. Maybe folk there think we're crazy too. Anyway,
Oh, here it is.
I challenge you to go somewhere common and shoot some photography. Until next time, folk,
It's like a
stay
little
classy.
small-